So, Joe, first of all, good to see you here at the conference. What is your take on streamlining work orders and making it action?
So, Michael, good to see you and the Razor Labs team here as well. So, we've seen quite a few challenges with predictive maintenance out in the field. Now, the algorithms are working wonderful, and you can generate work orders from them. The real issue now becomes how do we close out those work orders and know the work was done and it was done successfully? We're seeing lots of clients where they have a backlog of work orders, sometimes going back 3 or 4 years. So they don't know what's happened with it. They rely very heavily on paper-based solutions. What I'm really loving about the solution that we've had is that we've got this integrated workflow, and you're also bringing forward to the leadership and the supervisors the value that they're getting in terms of downtime, whether that downtime is scheduled or unscheduled. So you can really see where you're at in your workflows and what needs to be done and the value that you get.
I agree. I think that the addition of generative AI allowed us to really streamline the process. Right from the voice, when you just speak about, I replaced the pump, I replaced the bearing, through the prescriptive actions that were done and up to the automatic closure of the rotor. Is that something that you also see connecting to literate companies?
Mike, I think you're going to a very timely topic right there. We're starting to see more and more new mining sites in remote areas where we have challenges with low educational attainment. We have low literacy rates. And of course, that influences digital literacy. The fact that you can enable workflows intelligently with Copilot, back it up with additional artificial intelligence on the data behind the scenes, and then run that with a voice-enabled workflow, that really addresses workers who do not have necessarily the digital or the human language literacy that we would like to.
Okay, I think it can be transformative.
And it really can help mining companies be successful in those challenging areas without adding a tremendous amount of investment into building an educational infrastructure. They can start where they're at and grow their literacy and their digital literacy all the time.